What's up, YouTube? So today's vlog is all about unboxing and also a review on the phone Huawei NOVA 5T, which was released last 2019. I think it's 2019. Okay. I hope you find this video informative. If you're new to our channel with Charles, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if nagustuhan nyo. You can click on the notification button for more videos to come. Okay, so please hit subscribe. Yeah. Okay, so without further ado, since I'm a father of 3, it's 3 boys. Okay, so for me it's kagaya ng iba or iba dyan, hindi ganong kadalas magpalit ng phone. Hindi man ganong kadalas magpalit ng phone kasi money wise or practically speaking, hindi siya practical sa mga middle wage earners like me. This year, I decided to buy a phone because araw-araw nangungulit si Charles or si Charles Dren na gusto niya na magkaroon ng phone. Since he's been performing well in school, I think I am obliged to buy a phone. But the new phone is for me. The former phone that I have will be to him because hindi pa siya ganang marunong mag-alaga ng phone. So, hindi gaano masakit sa dibdib kapag nasira yung old phone kesa sa new phone. Alright? Okay, so without further ado, let me just give you an overview of the Huawei NOVA 5T. The Huawei NOVA 5T is powered by the Kirin 980. Kirin 980 is a flagship killer, or this phone is a flagship killer actually, because the Kirin 980 processor is also powering the P30 Pro. I think it's P30 Pro, P30 Pro, or the Mate 20. I think it's Mate 20.
Eventually.
Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So on the box, upon opening the box, you will see the phone. You will see the phone, the small box that has the SIM ejector tool. This one, SIM ejector tool, or ang pahiwagang pangtusok. Okay, so also you can see in the box the warranty card or the warranty booklet, the small starter's guide or the manual, and also there's a headset, the fast charging or the supercharged charger, and the headset. So as you notice, this year's release of the Huawei NOVA 5T, the headset is already converted to Type-C. Before last 2019, there was an adapter, Type-C adapter going to the 3.5mm jack, headset jack. So there's an adapter before. It's this. There was an adapter before. It's this small. So this month, December 2020, it has a different type headset adapter or headset. So at the back, it has four. The back, it has 4 cameras. The back has 4 cameras. This is a 4 to 8 megapixel camera. This is a 16. This is 2 and flash. This is a flash actually, it's just not a camera. This is the macro lens. This is the macro lens. The macro lens has a 2 megapixel capacity, so it has great capacity. And also at the front cam is a 32 megapixel cam. So it's good for selfies, vlogging, just taking videos. Actually, it's very good. Here are some clips of the videos and the pictures. And it has a whopping 8 GB of RAM and an 128 GB of ROM, which is internal storage.
Nice.
So unfortunately, storage is not expandable, so you can't insert any micro SD card. It is already dual SIM. It's a dual SIM phone. So 128 gigabytes of ROM or internal storage is already good. It's already good for an average type of guy like me. It's already good for vlogging, for just daily tasks, picture taking, selfies. It's already good. Games, apps, app installations. It's already good. Gaming wise, it's fast. It's very fast. The switching games, apps, it's very fast. And also let me tell you that the fingerprint sensor is here. You see that? The fingerprint sensor. It's on the side. It's not on the back. It's on the side. So I think it's faster, and the thumb is readily accessible at the side. Yes. And also the volume adjuster. Also yan on the box. There's a free jelly case. And also there's already a built-in screen protector for the phone, and the color that I have is crush green color. Look at that beautiful color. Crush green. It's a crush green. So if you're planning to buy a phone, high performance phone, kasi yung mga 13th month Dren, try to check this phone out. It's sold, the price in the market now, December 2020, is $16,990. It's $16,990. It's not that cheap, but it's an affordable phone. Affordable it is. You will have a freebie. This is the freebie Huawei gift. This is a moonlight lamp. This is a moonlight lamp. You can detach this. You can just charge it here. See, it changes colors: off, white, orange, and rose. A very, very good giveaway. Okay, so if you find this video informative and nakatulong ang video na to sa inyong pag-decide kung ano ang inyong bibilhin this year for yourself or for your partner or anyone that you love, please hit the subscribe button. Please for support, and also if you like, you can just click on the notification as well. Maisa mo. Masabay mo na yung notification sa pag-subscribe. For more videos or for more updates for our videos with Charles. So if you like the video, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.